Hey, I'm going to go pick up my son from his musical theater practice. I've got my little baby boy in the back, but I wanted to introduce the subject for today, which is tulips. Ooh, pretty sky. So with that, let's get started. All right, so here I'm shaking up some paint, and this paint is actually just the sample paint that you can get from Home Depot or Lowe's or your local paint supply store. And what's great about it is that it's matte and it's inexpensive. So I'm going to prime this canvas with this black matte paint and let it dry overnight. Okay, so now that it's dry, we can draw right on it with pencil, or you could use watercolor pencil, whatever you'd like. Mama, if you're watching, I'm sorry for this next part. This was her grill basket that she used to use, and I was going to throw it away because I realized that we hadn't used it in a very long time, and I just thought, I don't want to throw it away. I bet I could use it for art somehow. So this is a little bit of an experiment, and you can do your background however you'd like. I just wanted to try it, and I thought it was kind of fun. But you can use anything with texture just to make a fun, different background. The reference photo I have has a lot of bokeh. Bokeh in photography is where you see the background kind of blurred and then the subject is more in focus. So this particular reference photo that I was using had a ton of bokeh. So a lot of the brush strokes are going to be really soft and undefined. And these colors are just blue and yellow and a little bit of white mixed together for both the background and the foreground, just leaving the parts where the tulips are going to be a little bit blank. But even if you decide to pop in another tulip later on, you can paint over the green. Notice how I'm just doing little hearts for the background tulips, and then once in a while putting in an extra petal in between the two arches. These tulips in the background can be very, very simple. Some of them can even just be little dots. I'm dry brushing them just so that they're a little bit less defined, and then I'll go back over them with a little bit more paint. You can keep your petals very, very simple, just maybe 3 or 4 petals, 2 at the side and 1 in the middle. And then when you get towards the tips of the petals, you can lighten them up with a little bit of pink or white paint. And then we'll add brighter chroma paint, like brighter red or brighter pink, over all of this.